what's up y'all, it's Quijuandas, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this full clip-in installation with no leave out. So if you want to see what I use and what I do, keep on watching. So here I'm showing you my braid pattern. It's not the neatest, but it got the job done, and I'm using curly hair anyway, so the foundation really doesn't matter. I'm starting with this Kinky curly U-part wig that I made. The hair will be linked down below, and I'm just showing you the construction, and I wanted to emphasize that one track that I sewed on the inside, and you'll see why later on in the video. Now I'm sliding my stocking cap on halfway, and I'll be using the braids in the front as an anchor to clip this bad boy on and keep everything in place because I'm too smooth to be embarrassed. Let me know if you know where that's from below. So this is the track that was sewn inside of the U-part wig. Now I'm going to take a few individual clip-ins that I made to cover the other side. For this last clip in, I sewed two tracks together, and after clipping this in, I'll have two braids left over to the side because that's where I want my part to be. And to hide those two braids, I'm simply taking the track from the other side of that clip in and the track that I sewed inside of the U-part wig, and I'm taking the loose hair from each track and crocheting it through each braid. I hope that makes sense. If not, I'm gonna show you. And that's one side down, the other to go. It's pretty simple. I'm just crocheting, so I'm going to repeat the same process on my right side. So here is the completed part. I'm going to clip down the back and the sides of the U-part wig again to make sure that everything is secure, and then I don't have to worry about any strong winds coming through and exposing me. Then after those clips are secure, I go in with water and a cheap conditioner to detangle a little bit and refresh these curls. And these are my results. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video on how I installed these clip-ins with no leave out. This has been my go-to protective style as of late because it's quick, it's easy, and it gives my hair a much needed break. I have a lot more protective style videos coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.